Bhakta Janeshwara Temple, also called Tirunavalu Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, located in Pundi, Tamil Nadu. Shiva is worshipped as Bhakta Janeshwara and is represented by the lingam. His consort Parvati is depicted as Manonmani Amman. The temple is located on the Pandruti Kedilam road. The presiding deity is revered in the 7th century Tamil Shaiva canonical work, the Thevaram, written by Tamil saint poets, known as the Nine Mass and classified as Padal Petra Sthalam. The temple is closely associated with Sundarar, who is believed to have attained grace at this place. The temple complex covers an area of 2 acres and all its shrines are enclosed with concentric rectangular walls. The temple has a number of shrines with those of Bhakta Janeshwara, his consort Manonmani Amman and Ranganadhar being the most prominent. As per legends, during the churning of the ocean of milk, a sperm fell at this place to originate as a navel tree. It came to be known as Jambuvanam, and over the period of several eons, a temple formed in the place. The place thus came to be known as Navalur, while presiding deity came to be known as Tirunavalishan. As per another legend, Shukra obtained the diving elixir that could bring back dead people. During the fight between Devas, the celestial deities, and Asuras, the demons, Shukra helped the Asuras by bringing them back to life repeatedly. The Devas complained it to Shiva, who swallowed Shukra. He then brought him back to life and installed him as one of the Navagrahas, the planetary deities. He also instructed him to help devotees based on the deeds. Sundarar, an 8th century Shaivite saint, was born in the place and believed to have attained divinity by worshipping Shiva at the place. The place is also believed to be the one where Adishesha got back his original color attained on account of the poison. Brahma is believed to have worshipped the deity during Dwapara Yuga, while Shivapriyar, who went on to become Chandakeshwarar, worshipped the deity during Treta Yuga. The original structure is believed to be existent from time immemorial, while the later additions are believed to have been built by Cholas, Pallavas, while the present masonry structure was built during the 16th century. As per inscriptions from the period of Parantaka, there were seemingly 3 Shiva temples and 1 Vishnu temple in the place. The temple has a flat entrance tower facing south, and all the shrines of the temple are enclosed in concentric rectangular granite walls. The central shrine is approached through pillared halls. The central shrine facing east houses the image of Bhakta Janeshwara in the form of linga. The shrine of Manonmani Amman facing south is located in separate shrine around the first precinct. The central shrine is approached through a Mahamandabam and Arthamandabam. Sundarar, an 8th century Tamil Saivite poet, venerated Bhakta Janeshwarar in 10 verses in Thevaram, compiled as the 9th Tirumurai. As the temple is revered in Thevaram, it is classified as Padal Petra Sthalam, one of the 276 temples that find mention in the Shaiva canon. During 3 days of March, the sun rays fall directly on the image in the sanctum. Om Namah Shivaya.